Why should not a hammer have a metal handle? A hammer's handle is not just about looks. It plays a crucial role in comfort, efficiency, and style. Wooden and rubber handle help absorb shock when striking, reducing strain on your hands and arms. This is especially helpful when using a hammer for extended periods. Wood is a traditional choice, providing a natural grip and durability, while a rubber handle offers extra cushioning and slip resistance. A metal handle exists too, but they transfer more vibration, which can be tough on your muscles. That's why wood or rubber often come out on top of user friendly hammer designs. Hammers are versatile tools used in various tasks such as driving nails, shaping metal, or breaking materials. Different types of hammers are designed for specific applications. For example, a claw hammer is commonly used for carpentry, while a ball peen hammer is used for metalworking. A slag hammer is used for tasks require a large force.